Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And pretty much my channel is product reviews, but if there's a new product coming out or now available, I like to share about those. And today I want to share with you about the DJI mic, as it's been out for a little while, in that there are a lot of reviews, but they hadn't made it available for the public to purchase. Well, now it's available to purchase. I was going back and forth. Should I purchase it? I've got a small microphone here in my chest called the InstaMic, which has worked well, but there's been some limitations. While I still like it and the sound, as you can hear, is coming from the microphone, this is going to be great and so many more uses for me. And especially if you're new with getting started with videos and even TikTok and Instagram, this would be a great way to go. And I'll be sure to put my affiliate links down below where you can check it out. Appreciate you clicking on those links if you are interested in checking it out. It helps the channel. So the DJI mic retails for $329. You'll be able to get all the specs and information you need, but you can see it's got a 250 meter transmission range. Been really impressed in seeing the reviews of the range. Dual channel recording, up to 14 hours of onboard memory. That's quite a bit of memory. Portable and compact, as you can see, it is definitely portable and compact. Wide compatibility for sure. So many great uses, more than just using it with your camera. We'll talk about that. And 15 hours of battery life. And you can see here, it's got the long range wireless transmission. And so if you also have the DJI camera, then you can just plug that right into the camera there without any cables. Just like for me, which I'm excited about, I have the Pixel 5 phone. And now instead of using either a wired microphone or a wireless microphone that I've reviewed that I would have to use the cable, you don't have to do that anymore. You just plug the transmitter right into the port with the Type-C connection and you're good to go. Also, you get a lot of battery life with this. So record up to 15 hours, enjoy 5.5 hours of battery life from the transmitters, 5 hours from the receiver, and up to 15 hours with the charging case, which is great. So you can just take that on the go. In between shootings, you can just pop those back in there and you'll be good to go. What I love about is the compatibility. So not only as I'm thinking about this for my product reviews, if I'm often on Zoom calls, and so that would be nice. I have a stand-up desk. I often like to stand, and so I don't have to worry about having any kind of wired lapel microphone. So you can use this on your cameras, as I mentioned, your phone, and then doing Zoom calls and a number of other ways that you can use it. For me here, I'm shooting this video with Loom, and so this is a great service, by the way, for screen sharing. And I'll put a link to that as well. So many great uses. So this is a really nice package. In the package, you get the receiver, the transmitter, you get 2 transmitters, you get the charging case, you get the camera audio cable, you get the adapters, one for the Type-C and one for the Lightning for the iPhones. You get 2 windscreens, you get the clip magnet, which would be great. You get the carrying pouch, the hot shoe adapter, and the charging cable. So quite a nice package. So there you go. Just wanted to let you know that it's now available to purchase, a little bit about what is available with it. And I look forward to doing my open boxing when I get it and using it as my main microphone once I have it. So there you go. If you have it, leave any questions or comments, I should say. And I look forward to sharing more about it. And I'm excited. And again, if you're new with getting started with videos, audio is so important. And so this will make it for a better experience for your viewers in seeing your content. All right. Have a great day. Thanks for joining. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.